Oh, what's up, Team Dominic? Today, we were at the mall, and I got 2 items to show you.
I'm going to be showing them.
No, I'm gonna.
Why you too?
She's gonna be showing hers on her channel soon.
Maybe.
Maybe. And here we go. We got. We got some new sandals. We got these nice Adidas. These nice Adidas stuff.
You know there is no one else to blame for the choices you make.
We got that Adidas thing. Paul, yeah, check out my sandals. Check them out.
Wait a second. The real antidote? Fine. Paralysis 2, science 0. Failure. It's all your fault.
We've got retro Macho Man Randy Savage. Yo, we're about to unbox him from Killings.
Sigh. Once again, your poetic brilliance has put me to shame. Where do I feel hockey sticks? Derby today. There's no field hockey sticks in roller derby. Finally, you look perfect and beautiful again. Oh, come on! I thought we were pals! Get it? Get it? How am I gonna deal with Lori? Got it!
Hey babe, it's your boyfriend, Bobby. I just want to say that I'm sorry and that I will wear any tux you want.
Would you hurry up, Linda? I'm gonna play the outfit getting out of the door in the morning.
Here we go.
What's all this? It's my gear, dude. I have rehearsal. And who's that? This is my roadie Chuck. No. He was not part of the plan. You out. I'll take care of this. Thanks, bro. Operation complete. And with 10 minutes to spare. Hello, house first time, my dad. Let's roll. Stationary.
Oh my goodness. It's open.
All of this work for nothing. How can I be so stupid? Ow. If you're done with your pity party, maybe we could help. Yeah, 11 ads are better than 1. Try not to lose yours. Yeah, every little thing is gonna be alright. Really? You'll help? Yeah, I'm supposed to get this report in 10 minutes. This thing is destroyed. What can you guys do? In conclusion, but you can be sure that when I need them, my sisters will always be there for me. All of them. And sure, life from the Loud House can be summed up in one word. Chaos. But I love that chaos. And I wouldn't trade it for the world.
That was a fantastic report. I'm giving you an A.
Randy. Oh, guys. So hard.
So what's your phone on, dog?
Huh?
What's your phone on?
6.
It's on 6. You're not even talking to them.
Yes, I am. I'm recording.
Slime's more cooler than that, guys.
Oh, gosh.
Comment down below.
So sure.
Very cool. Comment down below if you like slime.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do what's in my bag. So you better go see my thing.
How are you gonna get them out?
The future of laundry is here, and it's a disc. For self-proclaimed disc.
Okay, I'm ready, Bucks.
More tough stains
I'm
better
filming.
than any of these detergents.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video, and I wanted to do what's in my bag challenge. I am filming on my phone right now. I might even do it. I don't know. But let's get started. So first, my bag. I got some random mail.
Guys.
I am going to put those on, so this is going to be on.
Advantage, time they spend on their phone, texting, all of that. So we like peace and quiet. Most cats play with yarn.
Paul. Paul. Paul.
Cartoon and Cheap Ventures, store these floor.
Paul. Hey, Paul. No,
The motion to ration shampoo due to crunch shortages passed. So, the minutes from our last meeting are approved. Any new business? Anyone? Anyone? No one? Lori? I'm just messing with you. Lincoln has the floor. As you all know, our annual trip to Scratchy Bottom Campgrounds is quickly approaching.
Okay, so this is
The place is the worst. There's always food. And we have to sleep on the hard
Sorry, guys.
They didn't say. I guess it's up to us to decide.
Alright, guys. We got him unboxed. There he is. Let's open him. So, he has his hat.
It's 5 against 5. We win. Now I've done it. If I choose Aloha Beach, 5 of my sisters are gonna be mad.
Alright.
Dairyland, the other 5 will be mad. Make
Macho Man is unboxed.
Hey, Linky, I brought you something. A short stack from your favorite short stack. You should never make a big decision on an empty stomach. Wow, thanks, Lola. Hey, little bro. I was just thinking, with all the pressure you're under to decide, maybe a massage would help you relax.
Oh, where's my charger?
This is awkward.
Oh, here he is, right here. Macho Man is unboxed. Got the white top.
Shower time. I'll take a nice long one. I cleared it out of my schedule. Wait, you guys aren't trying
Macho
to
Man will be in it.
Beach,
Well,
are you? Wait, I thought we were.
yep. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you all next time. Peace out.